In this Picmonic, we'll describe the different tetracycline drug names and their specific indications, and we display this with the tetracycle racing for glory. Tetracyclines are a group of broad-spectrum antibiotics, named after their structure, which contains a 4-hydrocarbon ring derivative. Drugs in this group include tetracycline, demiclocycline, minocycline, and doxycycline. Demiclocycline, portrayed by the Democratic donkey cycling, is used to treat SIADH, or Syndrome of Inappropriate Antidiuretic Hormone, and we'll discuss this later on in this Picmonic. Meanwhile, minocycline, shown as the minor cycling, has a slightly broader spectrum than other tetracycline antibiotics. Minocycline is classified as a long-acting antibiotic, with a half-life approximately 2 to 4 times that of other simple water-soluble tetracyclines, and is more lipid-soluble, giving it more utility to treat conditions of the brain and prostate. This comes with a caveat that it is also responsible for more CNS side effects like vertigo. Moving on, doxycycline, the dachshund cycling, is another tetracycline antibiotic, which is unique within this group because it is fecally eliminated, shown by the dachshund defecating. Because it is fecally excreted, doxycycline can be used in patients with renal impairment, illustrated here as the dead kidney riding with the dachshund. Now, demiclocycline, despite being part of the tetracycline antibiotic family, is widely used in the treatment of SIADH, or Syndrome of Inappropriate Antidiuretic Hormone. Interestingly, this indication stems from a side effect of this drug, as demiclocycline has the side effect of working as an antidiuretic hormone, or ADH, antagonist, depicted here as the anti-di-rocket harmonica ant toga. You'll notice that this ant attacking the di-rocket while playing a harmonica is being run over by the Democratic donkey cycling, so it's easy to associate demiclocycline with being an ADH antagonist. Tetracyclines remain a first-line agent for chlamydia infections, shown by the chlamydia clam, along with rickettsial infections, represented here by the racket. A commonly tested rickettsia infection is Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and remember that while tetracyclines are normally contraindicated in children, kids with this infection should be treated with drugs in this class. Tetracyclines are also essential in treating spirochetal infections, like Borrelia burgdorferi, the barrel burglar, which leads to Lyme disease. These drugs are sometimes used in the quadruple therapy regimen of Helicobacter pylori, seen here as the helicopter, and in the treatment of Mycoplasma pneumonia, depicted as the Myc pneumona. So let's run through the important information regarding tetracycline drug names and their specific indications again. Drugs in this class include demiclocycline, minocycline, and doxycycline. Doxycycline is unique as it is fecally eliminated, making it especially useful in patients with renal failure. Demiclocycline is used to treat SIADH, as this drug works as an antidiuretic hormone antagonist. Tetracyclines are indicated in treating chlamydia and rickettsial infections, and are also used to treat Borrelia burgdorferi, the culprit of Lyme disease. Additionally, they can be used to treat Helicobacter pylori infections, as well as cases of Mycoplasma pneumonia.
Heads up, this audio is for immature audiences only. Fart jokes ahead, you have been warned. Tetracycles unite in the name of democracy. Hee-haw. Together we will create jobs for the miners and thwart down evildoers. Miners cycling away! Dachshund cycling. Wait! What are you doing? No pooping here. Bad dog, no. For the rest of the story, check out Picmonic.com and sign up for a free account. There, you can also take Picmonic's quiz. The quiz automatically sets up your daily quiz by using spaced repetition algorithms based on the questions you've missed or struggled with, to make sure you study what you need when you need to. And while you're there, go ahead and check out the rest of the antibiotic Picmonics. We have a ton of the content you need to remember. Everything from penicillin, ampicillin and amoxicillin, to aztreonam, and much, much more. So see how hundreds of thousands of students like yourself have figured out how to save time and have fun doing it, so you can lock in everything you need to know forever. Play, quiz, and spaced repetition. Efficient, effective, and research proven to increase exam scores.